Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Miata NB. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your car is on a flat, level surface. Place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground and firmly engage your parking brake. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is also a smart practice to protect yourself during the process. To lift the front of your Miata NB, locate the central front subframe crossmember. This sturdy metal beam is designed to support the vehicle's weight. Carefully position your floor jack directly underneath it. Slowly raise the car until it reaches your desired working height. Once lifted, place 2 jack stands securely under the frame rails, just behind the front wheels, for stable support. For the rear of your Miata NB, the ideal central jacking point is the rear differential housing. Make sure your jack's pad makes full, even contact with the differential casing to distribute the weight properly. Gently raise the vehicle to your desired height. Once lifted, place 2 jack stands securely under the rear frame rails, ensuring they are stable before proceeding with any work. For ultimate safety, always use 4 jack stands when working under your Miata NB. Slowly lower the car onto all 4 stands, ensuring it settles securely. Before starting any work, give the car a gentle shake to confirm its stability. When you are finished, reverse the process. Slightly raise the car with the jack, remove the stands, then slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.